Okay, go.
Hello, I am doing a fizz thing that I made out of baking soda and water, and I put it in the oven for about 40 minutes, and it'll turn hard. And then I took vinegar. I just put some food coloring in it to make it look cool. And now I'm gonna drop this in and see what happens.
In the sink, okay.
Ready?
I'm ready. So what do you have it dropped in? What's the solution? Vinegar?
Mm-hmm. It's a mystery what we dropped in.
Yeah.
Only we saw it.
That's right. And that's it, huh?
Wait.
Wait. Okay.
See there?
You
Nope,
stuck
not
your hand in.
completely ready.
No, still going? Maybe the vinegar's done reacting. You want to add more vinegar?
No, don't add.
Don't add it? Okay.
It's still fizzing.
Alright. So you have an acid and a base, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Trying to neutralize. Sure you don't want to add any more?
It smells like some kind of Kool-Aid thing. Or like sugar.
Yeah.
And we have Star Wars Angry Bird.
He was in there the entire time. Alright.
Wait, should we make a link?
What?
Should we make a link?
What?
A link.
A link?
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, we can probably upload it. You gonna say something to say goodbye?
Press the link in the description below to see part 1. And bye.